all. I hope you all are doing well. So children, today in this class we are going to learn about shapes. So let's start with that. We see many kinds of shapes around us, okay, just like triangle, square, rectangle, circle, okay. These are the shapes. So match the following. So first one is given triangle. So where it is triangle? Yes, this is a triangular shape. Second square. So this is square. हम इसको square कहते हैं. Then circle. So beta this is a circle shape and that is rectangle. So this is called rectangle. Okay. I hope you understood. Name the shapes of the following things. Okay beta. So this is clock and clock is just like circle. Yes. So write it circle. C-I-R-C-L-E circle. And next shape is triangle. So write it triangle. Triangle is triangle. Okay. So these are the other things. Now you have to just find the exact shape of that one. Okay. So now beta move on next one. Texting time 19.1. Look at the color code and color the shapes in the picture below. So first one is square. So where there is a square, you have to fill it with red one. So जहाँ जहाँ square है आपको red करना है. Then rectangle yellow, triangle blue, green, जो हमारा circle होगा green and oval हमारा होगा purple. Okay. So find where is square first. So हमने जहाँ भी square होगा like this, choose the red one and ये हमारा square है. So fill it red color like this. Square. This is square. This is square. Okay. So I hope you understood. So similarly जो भी आपको color चाहिए, जो भी shape है, suppose हमें चाहिए oval. So where there is a oval, just do purple color. I hope you understood the whole concept of that one. So now beta move on next one, which is write the geometrical shapes of the objects shown below. अब ये जो कुछ हमारे पास objects है, ये कौन से picture से मिलते हैं, इसकी geometrical shapes कौन सी हैं? So first one is given, rectangular. Yes, so write it. This is rectangle. So rectangle. Yes. Similarly, second wheel hai. Wheel is just like a circle. Okay. Then square. Then other things. Triangle, rectangle, circle. Okay. So now these you have to fill it to your own beta. Okay. So now move on. Solid shapes. Many things in your home and in the schools looks like the pictures below. You can see and feel them. These are called solids. Recognize these shapes. Like first one is given cube. So now this is cube. A cube has 6 faces. Cube की 6 faces होती हैं, 12 sides and 8 corners. Okay. So example of that one is like just one dice, ice cubes, chalk box and play box. Okay. Now second shape is cuboid. A cuboid has 6 faces. इसके 6 faces होते हैं like that, 12 sides and 8 corners. Example brick, book, eraser, suitcase and etc. Then sphere. So a sphere has one face and no corner. Sphere के कोई भी corner नहीं होते हैं. Example of that one is football, orange, globe and etc. Okay beta. So these are the example of that one. Now just practice. Move on next shape which is cylinder. A cylinder has 3 faces, 2 plain face and 1 curved and no corner. 3 faces हो गए. ओके और 1 इसका क्या हो गया, उसके कोई भी कॉर्नर नहीं होते हैं. ओके सो दीज आर द एग्जांपल लाइक पेंसिल, कैंडल, जार, ग्लास एक्सेट्रा. सो नाउ cone. A cone has 2 faces, one vertex and one side. Okay. So these are example like funnel, conical tap, carrot, ice cream cone, etc. I hope you understood the, whole concepts like which is cuboid, which is cube and what are their properties too. So now texting time 19.2. Match the objects with their shapes. So first one is given cube. So where it is like this, match it with that one. Okay. Then ये हमारा क्या है? Yes, cuboid. So just match it with cuboid like that. देन ये हमारा क्या है, स्फीयर, देन मैच इट, देन हमारा क्या है ये कोन, सो मैच इट, एंड लास्ट वन इज सिलेंड्रिकल शेप. सो these are the shapes of that one. So now beta move on next, which is sliding rolling. Example 1, place your pencils on a table like that and push it slightly. What do you observe? The box moves on the table with only its bottom face touching the table. Okay, this movement is called sliding. ये slide होते हुए जा रहा है, ये roll नहीं हो रहा है, just slide हो रहा है. So we can say that box like objects slide on pushing. तो जो बॉक्स होते हैं, बॉक्स की तरह जो भी हमारे ऑब्जेक्ट्स होते हैं, अगर हम उसको पुश करते हैं तो वो स्लाइड होते हैं. एग्जाम्पल नंबर 2, take a ball, keep it on the table and push it slightly. What do you observe? The ball moves round with all of its surfaces touching the table. This movement is called rolling movement. तो ये rolling movement कहलाता है हमारा. So we can say that ball-like objects roll on pushing. Okay? I hope you understood. Example number 3. Repeat the above activity with a pipe-like objects such as pencils. You will observe that it also rolls along the table. Okay? So now example 4. Finally, repeat the activity with a cone-like objects. You will observe that a cone also rolls, but it doesn't roll straight. It rolls round pointed end. Okay, so these are the just activity you do and practice. So now texting time 19.3. Tick the objects that will roll. Roll कौन से हमारे objects होंगे? So yes, this is roll. बाकी हमारे क्या होंगे? Slide होंगे. Now B. Tick the objects that will slide. अब slide कौन से होते हैं? तो yes, we can say that this will slide and that will also slide. Okay. So beta, these are the examples. Now you have to fill it by your own. Okay. So with this, we ended up the chapter. I hope you understood well. So do rest of these exercise by your own very nicely.